January 7th, 2021 review. Which statement describes a unit rate? So it just says which statement, so that means just one of them. Which of them describes a unit rate? Remember, a unit rate means we're going to have a 1 in our denominator. So let's take a look at these. Ooh, look how pretty. Okay. So Alex eats 3 apples. Okay, 3 apples. That doesn't say like for 1 minute per day. It doesn't say anything like that. It just says he eats 3 apples. Okay, great. Great for Alex. Let's take a look at our next one. Kyle runs 3 miles over 2 days. 3 miles over 2 days. Zach reads 3 pages of his book per minute. 3 pages per minute. And Michael adds 3 cups of sugar for every 2 cups of flour. All right, so which of these has a 1 in our denominator? So this first one doesn't have anything. Great. This one, 3 miles in 2 days. No. 3 pages in 1 minute? Whoa, per minute. So that keyword, those keywords there, per minute, that means you're going to have a unit rate. So per minute, that means you're going to have a unit rate. Woohoo! So our unit rate, the only one, is going to be this third one, because the last one is 3 cups of sugar for 2 cups of flour, so that's not it. All right, so we're good with that one. Let's go ahead to our next one. Write the ratio and the associated unit price. $15 to 5 pop bottles. So we have $15 to 5 pop bottles. Remember, money on top. So $15 for 5 pop bottles. I'm going to put 5 pops. So $15, 5 pops. No, not like a grandpa or dad pops, like the pop you drink. So 15 divided by 5. Oh, 15 divided by 5 is 3. So it's going to be $3 per bottle of pop. Or you can put per pop. I'll put per bottle of pop. Or you can put soda. I call it pop. We normally call it pop up here in the north. All right, so our answer there is going to be $3 per bottle of pop. Woohoo! It reminds me of baby bottle pop. No, that's bop. It was when I was younger. Okay, great job with your review. Woohoo!